Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I want to thank all the new subscribers for coming back to the channel. I also want to thank all the other people for keep watching my channel. I greatly appreciate it. I really hope you enjoyed the video, so please like, share, and leave a comment below. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Well, we're going to check out the sea on Loft here. It's actually a heat wave out here today. I tell you what, it jumped 30 degrees here from what was this morning until this afternoon. Unbelievable. It was minus 27 below. It is now 8 degrees above zero. So, as you can see in here, I ain't scraped from nothing for how long here. We've had below temperatures, way below zero here for the last probably week and a half. And I got one egg up there for second round. They're on, they had 2 eggs, but they only had one that's fertile, and this one here. And then we have a couple eggs over here. Sitting up there, and both of them are fertile, which is good. And then we got them 2 little guys down there, so. And there's their daddy, so. He's out of the old Sion, so. But anyways, just wanted to kind of give you a little update what's going on, so. These guys are acting like they're starving to death. I know they're not. They're hungry. I've actually still got some food there in the bottom. And we got manure everywhere in here. It can't scrape for nothing. It's been harder than heck. Hard as a rock. I didn't even try to scrape it. I know this week, actually coming up today is Wednesday. And on Monday, it is supposed to be almost 40 degrees out. That's going to be fantastic. I'll be able to get this cleaned out really nice. So, but I got a couple youngsters there on the floor. Right there. Okay. Got another one there too. I need to pull out of here. He's ready to be weaned. Got another one hiding down there behind the water. Another one there. So, but everybody's sitting on eggs in here, which is good. Everybody except for them. I'm not sure what's going on with those guys this year, but for some reason they haven't laid, but that's 1 egg, so don't understand that. But they're on eggs again. They're on eggs again. I just put their babies on the floor, so. And this old guy down here, he's got their baby going on, and no eggs here yet. Got 1 egg there. I think you got 1 or 2 eggs up there, and nothing down there. 1 there, or say 2 eggs there, 2 eggs up there. This is all the second round, guys, so they're looking pretty good for a second round. And I got 1 there on the floor that's supposed to be in this box here, which I don't understand. They had 1 egg in there, but they quit laying on it. They sat on that one. Now it is seems to be fertile. We'll see if it actually hatches this time. Last time it did not hatch for me, so. But anyways, you know, that's the way it goes. But so far, things are looking good. I know things are really hard to clean up in here. I know I hate having to leave a mess in here, but I can't have a choice when it's that cold outside, guys. You can't get this stuff off. If you lived up here and when it's below freezing, plus when it's 27 below zero, it's dang cold, so. But I'll show you the other loft too. They got everybody in there's on eggs too. Actually, I think I just had 1 baby's hatch yesterday, but we'll show you that here in a second. So I want to get some food and feed these guys up. So as you can see, we got a couple youngsters in there that just hatched. They actually hatched yesterday, and then got a couple eggs down there. You got 1 egg there. The other one was not fertile. 1 egg there. That one's only fertile. I can't remember if they got 2 eggs here. I think they got 2 eggs here, so, but they're all fertile. I said we're good off to the second round here, so. Like I said, I just fed these guys here, so. But we'll take you over here to next to the young birds, so. See how they're all doing. They're doing pretty good. They're actually eating pretty good. Got some beautiful looking colors in here. Like I said, I know what, guys, it's a mess in here, believe me. I understand that, so. But Not much I can do about when everything is so cold out, you know. I can't help that any. But as you can see here, a lot of them are up there, hanging out, chilling out. Oh, I know, he keeps yelling at me. Yeah. But, oh, settle down, guys, settle down. They're all doing good in here. They haven't lost any babies, which is good. They're all looking really good. They're all eating good. But I do see one in here. This one right here. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but that one right there. Okay. If you look at his eyes, they're kind of not sticking out more. Kind of like that one. See how his eyes sticking out more versus this one here? That is the indication that tells me he's not drinking enough water. So what I'm going to do is grab a hold of him, put him back, and show him where the water is again. That's one of the indications for you when you can tell the young bird's not getting enough water. Their eyes are not, how do you explain it? Not bulging, but they're not out as puffy. As you can see here on that guy's eye there, you know, his eye is not quite near as far out as the rest of them are over here. So you can see the difference or not. But I can. But I've also learned what to look for, so just wanted to kind of give you a little tip on that. So I hope you kind of enjoyed the little update here. Everybody's doing good in here, you know. So overall, like I said, I know there's poop everywhere, guys. I can't help that any, but it'll be cleaned out hopefully by Monday when it gets up to 40 degrees. It's supposed to be 32, I think, on Sunday, so I might actually start on Sunday if I can get it going. But if it's 40 degrees, man, it'd be a perfect day to be out here and clean it. So I see another one up here that needs to be taken to the water and shown the water some more. So you can see he's kind of not quite as puffy looking as the rest of them over there. He's kind of droopy looking, so that's just an indication that he's probably thirsty. So I will grab a hold of him and throw him in the water. So, or not throw him in the water, but push him in the water and show him where the water is. So, but just kind of help watch your guys' birds. That's how you kind of have an indication. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day and keep. Remember that guy there I was telling you about? He was kind of loose there a little bit. He didn't get enough water. Where are you guys going? You guys can't go nowhere. No, you can't. But I just fed them all. As you can see, they're all overeaten. Where are you going, little stinker? You're not going nowhere.